Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make sugar cookie bars. I'm making them for Christmas, but you can customize them for any occasion that you'd like. For your ingredients, you're going to need some granulated sugar, powdered sugar, salted butter, vanilla extract, you're going to need some eggs, baking powder, salt, all-purpose flour, you're going to want some sprinkles, some unsalted butter, and then heavy whipping cream. If you don't have that, you can also use milk. First step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 3/4 a cup of softened salted butter, and then we're going to add 3/4 a cup of the granulated sugar and 1/4 a cup of the powdered sugar, and then we're just going to cream this together until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. And as always, I'm just going to scrape the sides down as needed to make sure everything's combined. To this mixture, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract as well as 2 large eggs. And then we're going to beat this until smooth. Next, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and just mix until combined. We're then going to sift in 2 1/4 a cup of all-purpose flour and mix until just combined. We're then going to mix in 3 tablespoons of Jimmy sprinkles. I'm using red, white, and green because I'm making Christmas bars, but you can use any colors you want. Then I'm going to take some cooking spray and grease a 9x13 inch pan. Next, we're going to just plop the dough right into the pan, and it's easiest if you just use your hands and mush everything down and make it even. I used a spatula for this. Either works, the spatula just seems to take a little longer. Next, we're going to throw it in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. I checked on them after 12 minutes and I noticed they weren't super, I don't know, they didn't look fully done to me, so I put them back in for another minute, so 13 minutes total. After the full 13 minutes, I took it out and I noticed the edges were brown, it looked more done, and this was actually a perfect texture in my opinion. For the frosting, we're going to take another mixing bowl, and in it we're going to put 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, and we're going to whip it until it's light and creamy. We're then going to mix in 2 1/4 cups of powdered sugar. We're then going to add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract as well as 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. If you don't have the heavy whipping cream, you can use milk as a substitute as well. You're going to want to beat this for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see it slowly turning into a frosting texture. You can always add food coloring here if you'd like as well to color the frosting. If you have the time, definitely let the bars cool completely before you frost them. I didn't do this, so my frosting was like melting as I was spreading it out, and it was just harder to get even and took a little longer. It definitely turned out just as fine, but just a tip. Here I'm just adding more sprinkles onto the top after I've frosted everything. Because I didn't let my bars cool completely before frosting, you can see the frosting was seeping down the sides a little bit. If you let yours cool completely, yours shouldn't look like this. Mine are just a little ugly. But I'm going to put the bars in the freezer for 5 minutes. It's time to take the bars out of the freezer now, and I'm going to start cutting. It does make 24 servings, so you technically could cut 24 bars. I don't know what I was doing, honestly. I just started cutting random sizes, like some small, some big, in case, you know, someone wanted a small piece and someone wanted a big piece. These bars have thickness to them, but they're also light and airy when you bite into them, and the frosting is nice and smooth and sweet. The Jimmy sprinkles really add that pop of color to the dough. If you're in charge of dessert for Christmas this year, I highly recommend making this. These are delicious. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see my upcoming videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button to be notified when those do come out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.